Okay, so a gas company uses the following information to calculate Howell's monthly payment. So this is how it's split up, yeah? It says that Howell is expected to use 18,000 units of gas this year, okay? And then it says for the first 2,000 units of gas, it'll be charged at this price, okay? Strange price, but that's what it is, 6.883 pence per unit. And then for the remaining units of gas, it'll be charged at a cheaper price, okay? And of course we've got that VAT at the end then. Thankfully it's a calculator question, and it says then calculate Howell's monthly payment. That's interesting. They want what he pays over a month, yeah? Whereas in the first bullet point it said he used 18,000 units in a year. Now my thinking behind this is let's just work out what he would pay over the whole year. Okay, let's work out his yearly cost, and then to get his monthly cost, we've just got to divide it by 12, haven't we? Because it's 12 months in a year, so we can do that at the end. So, for the first 2,000 units, he pays 6.883 pence, right? So quite simply, we need to multiply 2,000 lots of units by 6.883 pence. So I'll get my calculator and I'll work that out. 2,000 times 6.883, and my calculator, that comes out to be 13766. Of course that's pence, alright? We should change this into pounds, right? Because you get your bill in pounds. So remember, because it's 100 pennies in a pound, we divide that by 100, okay? And you get 137.66. Note, of course, then, you know, decimal point moves 2 places to the left, yeah, or the numbers all move to the right by 2 places, but the decimal point will end up there. The good thing is you can check a calculator to do it for you, and it comes out. So that's for the first 2,000 units, and then for the remaining units, well, how many remaining units will there be? If you think about it. Well, he's already paid, isn't he, for 2,000 units. He's got 18,000 in total. So to work out the remaining units, you just need to take the 2,000 he's paid for already away from the 18,000. Of course, we get 16,000. So that's the remaining units. And they are charged at that price there. So 16,000, okay, lots more units, but it's charged at a cheaper price times 2.987. Okay, so again, my calculator, do all the work. Just we're making sure we're writing the method down, and that comes out to be 47792. Of course, that's in pence. Okay. Again, to change to pounds, we'll divide that by 100, and we get £477.92. So that's the charge, and the first 2,000 units he's charged that, and then on the remaining units he's charged this. So shall we now work out the total charge? But this is the yearly, isn't it? And of course this will be before VAT. Okay, so I need to do VAT as well. So let's just add these two together, 137.66, add the 477.92. Okay. We get out £615.58. Okay, now let's do the VAT then. So the VAT, okay, at 5%. Okay, so now we've got to work out 5% of that. £615.58. So on my calculator, the method I'm going to use is to change 5% to a decimal, 0.05. Okay, so I'll work that out then, times it by the £615.58, and that comes out to be, on my calculator it says this, right? It's got 3 decimal places. It is in pounds, right? Because remember I worked out 5% of that, which was in pounds. But when we've got pounds, we only want 2 decimal places, don't we? Okay, we only want, you know, if you look at the question there, that's important. It says to the nearest penny, yeah? What it means by the nearest penny, it doesn't want 3 decimal places like we've got up here, okay? it doesn't want all that nonsense. It just wants to the nearest penny in terms of pounds here. Okay, so we're going to chop off that 9, okay, and we can round that then. Of course, we're going to round it up, aren't we? Because that's a 9 that rounds up to an 8, so £30.78. Okay, that's the VAT. Now, I've run out of room, but that's okay. You can keep working underneath, all right? Because I've still got to keep going, haven't I? So I've got to do the total yearly charge now, including VAT. Okay, including VAT. So I'm going to add the VAT on, so £30.78, add on to that. Let's work that out. That comes to be £646.36, and then quite simply, then to get the monthly charge, I just need to divide that yearly charge by 12, right? So £646.36 divided by 12. Okay, if I do that, it comes out to be 3.863. Now I don't want this 3 at the end, because I'm going to chop that off. So to the nearest penny, it will be £53.86.